Hi and welcome back to our show. I'm Dylan Just.
And I'm Mike Just.
And we are
Just Irises.
Hi and welcome back. It's Dylan from Just Irises. So right now, our seeds are inside in the fridge, but they haven't woken up yet. So right now, we're going to wake them up by putting them in the pots and planting them. Today's the day for planting. It's the end of April. It's the perfect time. So right here, at the bottom layer, we're going to put this really rich compost. It's very strong.
Smells strong.
It smells very strong, yes.
Okay.
And then after that, we're going to put this really good black soil with some sand mixed in it.
Oh, yeah.
Which is very good for the irises as well. So that's
good for drainage.
Yeah, good for drainage. So that's the next level. And then after that...
Top level?
Yeah. After that, we're going to put seed starting
Nice.
with peat moss, coconut core, and vermiculite. We're going to put sand on the very top layer.
Boom.
So when the seeds start coming up, the sand will create a barrier between the irises and the moisture. So we just finished this first one. We put them in 1/4 of an inch, and then we put the sand on the top layer of it. I think it looks pretty good. Some of the irises say unknown parentage because they mix things up and they mess up labels. So we're gonna put this one in. This cross was Tyrannosaurus Rex and Burst of Inspiration. This is the one I did with Paul Black out in Oregon. This was what a moment, man. I released this video a couple weeks ago, so we're gonna plant it now. And I'm gonna show you how I plant it. There's one there. Just gonna plop them in for now, and then what we're gonna do is like push it down and then kind of like bury it just 1/4 of an inch.
Okay. 1/4 of an inch deep. A couple inches apart. I like it. Nice job.
Thank you. And now we're gonna put sand on the top of it.
All right. I like it. Nice.
All right, so we just taped the label on here. We taped them together because both of these pots are Tyrannosaurus Rex and Burst of Inspiration cross. We put the sand on the surface. So we'll keep you guys posted to see if we get any sprouts. This is the cross we did with Paul Black out in Oregon. Peachberry Jumble and Megastar. And look, see this one right here? It's got a little sprout. That's awesome. Yes. So here we have another cross that me and my dad did together. Superstition and Off the Shoulder. Right here, look. Bunch of sprouts coming up.
Nice.
One there, there's one there.
All right.
Let's go. So we've been getting a lot of rain for the past couple of days, and the sand has settled in. You can see the sand has settled in with the soil. So we're just gonna put down some of this grit, which is crushed granite, and it's also mixed in with crushed oyster shell. It's used for the chickens, but it'll work just fine with the iris seed as well. That way it creates a barrier between the new seedling shoots and the wet soil. There. Now everything's exactly where I need it. So this is the final product. I think that this is how we're gonna leave it, and we're just gonna hope for some sprouts soon.